Good morning, all my dear children. As of now, we have already almost finished the lesson agriculture, lesson number 6 from class 6 geography. As in the last class, we have discussed a lot of important points from the same lesson. Today, we are going to discuss few question and answers from the same. And also in the last class, I have given you fill in the blanks. I hope you have tried your best to complete the fill in the blanks. Today, let's discuss few question answers. As you can see in the picture, the first question is, what do you mean by the term agriculture? Agriculture is the science of farming, growing of crops, and rearing of animals for human needs and economic gain. As I already discussed while explaining the lesson about agriculture, so here the question is about what do you mean by the term agriculture? So, as I told you before as well, that agriculture, the word agriculture derived from the Latin word ager or agri, which means soil. So, the question is, what do you mean by the term agriculture? Agriculture is the science of farming, growing of crops, and rearing of animals for human need and economic gain. In the second question, list the economic factor affecting agriculture. The economic factor affecting agriculture. I already explained you all these things. So here we have to list the economic factor which influence or affect agriculture. So the economic factors affecting agriculture are as follows. The first one is capital, then it comes soil, then third one is relief, then fourth one is market, fifth is transportation, sixth is labor, and the seventh is capital. As you can see in the picture, the third question is all about what is mixed farming. This topic also I have explained in the last class. Mixed farming is a kind of agricultural practice in which crops are grown and cattle are domesticated on the same field. It means on the same field, crops and crops as well as cattle are domesticated. Next question, as you can see in the picture, is name the countries where extensive farming is practiced. So you have to name the countries where extensive farming is practiced. So the name of the countries where extensive farming is practiced are Russia and Australia. In the next question, question number 5, as you can see, what is an organic farming? I have already explained you this. It is an agricultural practice that uses ecologically based pest control and biological fertilizers derived largely from animals and plant wastes. Now, it comes to the sixth question. The sixth question is all about what is market gardening. It is the last point of the lesson which I have explained in the last class. What is market gardening? Now, the answer is market gardening is a type of agriculture which includes cultivation of fruits, vegetables, and flowers only for the export market. It is mainly practiced in the outskirts of cities and towns. I am reading the answer one more time. What is market gardening? Market gardening is a type of agriculture which includes cultivation of fruits, vegetables, and flowers only for the export market. It is mainly practiced in the outskirts of cities and towns. So by this, we have finished all 6 questions of answer the following in brief. In the next class, we will be discussing about answer the following question in detail. There are total 4 questions remain which you have to answer them in details. So in the next class, we will be doing those question and answer. Till then, thank you.